learn how to do a flip. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want like find some good jumping spots. Yeah. Then here you can do jumping. Yeah, like here. Then you go down and you set your head on the ground with your hands next to your head, and then you push with your hands forward, and then you just keep doing that. So after you have done that, you like quite a few times, maybe like 20, but we did like 25. After doing it a few times, you wanna set your hands in the air, then find a good place, and then you wanna like kinda set your one leg forward. Then you can wanna fall forward. Your arms will catch you. Yeah. And try to just look at this. Hands down, forward, and go. Hands down. You want to do that quite a few times. Go. Okay? Okay. After you've done that, you want to let's set a bit of jump on it. Let's jump. Then forward. Just do that instead, okay? Now we come to our last step, but it's not the least step. So what you do is you try to stop having your hands on and put a bit more spin on it. So like this. So like, yeah, also like this. Yeah, also like this. You guys might be having trouble with it, and that's you can do this. You can set your knees up to your chin. Don't set it completely, just like a knuckle space in between, and then do it. This is how that would be. If you need, you could try that with the knees up to your chin, but you can also set your hands up at the same time, and that would look like this. That was not what I meant. Oh. That's not either what you meant. Yes? Yes. Set your hands up. And then knees up. That's now. Yeah. And you can subscribe if you want more tutorials and see some challenge videos. Yeah. But
and for more 24 hours.
Yeah, we were trying to do a 24-hour challenge.
We did.
We did 7 hours. Okay, but look. This part, remember? You might be getting your head touch touching the ground. Instead of it just doing it and keep doing that, that will make it harder for you later. So then, instead of just holding with your hands, push up with your hands, and that would look like this.
Like that.
So, please like and subscribe, and bye.
Bye, bye, bye.
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 Set your hand in the camera. Bye. See you guys in the next video.